Hey guys, here's a quick video to show you how you can merge your subtitles to create one longer subtitle. Let's take a look. So from the subtitle editor, imagine we wanted to merge this particular caption with the one above. On the right hand side you will see two icons, a plus sign and two boxes. If you press these two boxes, it will automatically merge your two captions. This will also be reflected in the caption on your screen. For example, if we undo this and create a caption by hitting enter, you will now see that the words add comments are gone from the caption. The second way you can do that is simply by clicking on the space just before the line begins and hitting delete. And once again you see how add comments jumps up to the top and is once again part of the caption. For more tips and tricks about how to use our subtitle editor, I've left some links in the description down below, so feel free to visit our website, and of course you can sign up for a free trial at happyscribe.co. Cheers guys, take care.